Good morning, Honorable present here. Myself P. Janaratnam, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. In my previous videos, I had already discussed about the different types of CADA, CAM, and geometric modeling process, as well as the CNC EDM and CNC EMM and FMS system. Everything was I already discussed. Today, I am going to discuss about the different topics related to CAD and design process. Already in our design thinking framework itself, we are already discussed what are the design phases we have to follow. There are 5 stages of DT we have to follow. Same kind of design process we have to follow in our CAD, like CADA, which means computer aided design and automation. So today we are elaborately going to discuss about what are the designs process are available in our CAD and all. Okay, this is the general engineering design process. Like we can do the empathy part for asking the questions from the employees as well as the customers. After that, we have to make some research, and we can define the problems. Based on their problem, we can do the ideate part. From that ideate part itself, we have to make some designs by using this any kind of design softwares. After making the designs, we can do the prototype models and we can do the testing process. This is the general design process. We can elaborately discuss about the step-by-step procedures we have to follow in our CAD design process. Okay. So first of all, what is meant by, I already told, CAD means computer aided design. The computer is used to draw or create or modify or analyze or optimize the particular design. Manufacturing means how we are converting our design into real-time products, which means generally manufacturing means how we are converting the raw material into finished goods by using any one kind of manufacturing process. Okay. Then these are all some of the needs of CAD/CAM to increase the productivity of the designer, as well as to improve the quality of the design, to improve the communications, to create a manufacturing database. We can easily store the number of data in our drives, as well as to create and test the toolpaths and optimize them. We can use the optimization techniques to either maximize or minimize the functional values. Always we can reduce the investing cost, as well as we have to expect the our profit. So this is the design manufacturing process. In olden days, we have to follow these pencil and sketch and 3D draftings are used to construct the diagrams. This and all some of the engineering drawings developed by using this geometric models. So we can easily construct the designs by using this CADA, like SolidWorks, AutoCAD. 2D diagrams means we can use the AutoCAD process, and we are going for a 3D diagram means we can choose either AutoCAD or SolidWorks, Cryo, Advanced Fusion 360, and number of softwares are available. These are all some of the elements of design process. First one is for problem identification, which means we can collect the empathy part. From that empathy part, research phase, what are all the empathized problems we have to collect. From that, we can define the particular problems, and as well as we have to calculate what are all the requirements are need to solve that problems, which that is for requirements of specifications. Exactly in our DT process, concept generation, which means after completing our problem identification of research phase, we can develop some ideate parts. What are the possible solutions are available means we can use that concept generation. After making this ideate or concept generation parts, we can do the design process by using this AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and after that we can do the analyze by using this analyzing software. After that only we can make the prototype phase, and system integration and maintenance phase are the different phases of maintaining the design as well as our entire system. This is the general elements of engineering design process. This is general topic. In our we all are having the four-wheelers. Simply, four-wheeler means car. You are simply saying cars, but our four-wheeler or car having the more than 2 lakhs parts, small parts they are having, like you are basically told the tire and a car base, nut, bolt, engines, and everything comes under the assembly of this entire small components. This is the design process. Recognitions of need, which means we can collect the customer feedbacks, and problem definition. Synthesis means we can identify the possible solutions. Analytical or optimization means to maximize or minimize the functional values. After that, evaluate and presentations. Everything which was completed means we can go for a geometric modeling process. After completing the geometric modeling process, we can do the analyze part by using the any one of analyzing softwares. After that, design review completed means the design which is converted into real-time product. So this is the problem identification. Identify the problems and needs, determine the requirements. Do the requirements satisfy the needs, or which satisfy the needs means we can do the prototype. Again, it will not satisfy the needs means again we can go for an requirements or empathy part. We can do some changes in the design part. After that, we can do the prototype phase. This is some of the examples. We can show portable audio device, how they are collecting the empathy parts and all. And one more problems we can you can develop for the next class, like travelers have difficulty seeing obstructions in all the directions. Our objective is to design the system to avoid the accidents. This is the general problem statements. We can please work for it in your home. Next class we can discuss that as that case study. Okay, this is the 5 stages of design process. I already explained, like recognitions of need, definition of problem, and synthesis part, analysis and optimization, evaluation, presentations. And these are all the some of the benefits of CAD, which means productivity improvement, shorter lead time. Lead time means the starting of purchasing material to finished good time. Then design analysis, failure, design errors, flexibility in design. These are all the some of the benefits of CAD while we are designing by using this computer softwares and all. This is the sum of the engineering applications in CAD, as well as the 2-dimensional drafting, report generating, 3D modeling, finite element analysis. These all are the some of the manufacturing applications. We can develop the 2D drafting by using this AutoCAD process, and report generation is very much easily. And 3D modeling means we can assemble the single small components to make the big object, as well as after making the design we can do the analysis part by using any kind of analyzing system. Okay, this is the general design process we have to follow in our mechanical field. Thank you, students. Thank you for your active patient listening. Next class we can discuss about the different topics related to CAD and CAM. Thank you.